YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new mini album page. This is the last page we worked on, so let's put that away. For this new page, you're going to need a 9 and 13/16 by 5 and 11/16 sheet. You're going to score it at 6.5. And that'll give you a little flip. And I used a die cut to cut this flip. Let me see. It is Spellbinders. And it was this top die here. The very first one. That says Graceful Borders. That's the one I used. Then you're going to need another sheet, and that one is going to be 6 1/4 by 5 1/4, and then I punched that with a Martha Stewart punch, and there is no number or name on that, so you just have to go by what it looks like here. Alright, and then of course your base page. Let's get these put together. So this one goes down first, our small one. Get my pokey tool. Go. A little bit of glue. And I'm going to put it on the outside edge. And I'm going to center it as best as I can. Yeah. And before I move on to the next one, I want to put a couple of magnets on this one. So, here, a little bit of tape. Start on our short side, a 1/2 inch or an inch away from the edge. And fold that over. There we go. Okay, so that one's taken care of. For a magnet, then we have this one. It's going to go right underneath the lip here. So let's open this up. Put a little bit of glue here. And we're working with the score line this time and not an edge. So you got to be real careful not to go past the score line. Yeah, that works. Okay. Now we have that there, this here, and this here. So let's put a magnet here. Yeah. still doing a 1/2 inch to an inch away from the score line. Pressing down firmly, catch that tape, just like that. Perfect. So we have a closure for there, and then I need one for here. We'll do another magnet. Ooh. There. Alright, we are all magnetized. So your flip should open up to the right, a small flip. Then you'll have a large flip that opens to the left, and then another that opens to the right. Perfect. Alright, let's get some paper on here. Let's clean up my mess first. Put this glue away. Okay, we have our little flip here. I'd like to do first. Get that cookie tool out. Go ahead and put it on top first. Okay. Then we have the one that goes on the bottom. There, I love it. Okay. I have these all marked for me. So I have to pay attention to the numbers. Otherwise, I get all discombobulated. Nice. That goes like that. Open her up. Remove your tape backing. This makes life a little easier. You got to be careful of those score lines, because if you get the paper on there, it'll not move properly, and you want it to move back and forth. Number 3. Let me put this under here. So I'll make sure I'm getting within my lines. There. That ought to help a lot. Okay. Number 4. And our last one. For our base page. Yes, perfect. Oh, I think this turned out really cute, very interactive. If you like this page, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.